transform your life. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Universe with Steve, where learning English isn't just about words. It's about transforming your entire life. Today, I'm here to give you something more than just a lesson. I'm here to give you a wake-up call. If you listen carefully, this could be the moment that changes everything for you. Let me ask you a question. Are you truly happy with your life? Not just comfortable, not just getting by, but truly happy? If today were your last day, would you be proud of how you've lived? If your answer is anything less than a strong yes, then this message is for you. Your life isn't going to change by accident. It won't improve just because you wish for it. Dreams don't come true just because you hope for them. They become real when you take action. Right now, at this very moment, you have a choice. To keep living the same way, making the same excuses, or to step up and take control of your life. You've made too many excuses for too long. I don't have time. I don't have money. I'm too young. I'm too old. Excuses are nothing but lies you tell yourself to avoid responsibility. You are not stuck. You are not helpless. The only thing holding you back is your mindset. Do you know why most people fail? It's not because they're unlucky or not talented enough. It's because they don't take action. They sit around waiting for opportunities instead of creating them. While they complain, while they make excuses, someone else is out there working, learning, and growing. The only difference between you and the person living your dream life is that they decided to act. Success is not easy, but nothing worth having ever is. Every successful person you admire had to struggle. They faced failures. They had doubts. They wanted to quit. But they didn't. They pushed forward. They refused to let circumstances define them. Oprah Winfrey was told she wouldn't make it. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. J.K. Rowling was rejected multiple times before Harry Potter became a success. The difference between them and everyone else: they never gave up. Now, think about your own life. Imagine waking up in the morning in a home you love, knowing that you have complete control over your day. Imagine walking outside and seeing a car you once thought was impossible to own. Imagine your parents, your family, the people who believed in you, smiling because they know you made it. They know they don't have to worry anymore because you have taken care of them. This isn't just a fantasy. This life is possible, but it won't come to you by magic. It requires something from you: commitment, the willingness to change, the discipline to build better habits, the courage to take risks. Your habits shape your future. What you do every single day determines where you will be a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. If you waste your time scrolling endlessly on social media, watching TV for hours, or playing video games all day, you are throwing away your future. You are giving away your potential. Every hour you waste is an hour you'll never get back. Successful people don't waste time. They read books, learn new skills, and work on their dreams while others are wasting time. They wake up early, exercise, plan their day, and take action. They don't let distractions take over their lives. Think about your parents for a moment. Your mother carried you for 9 months. She sacrificed her health, her sleep, and her dreams to give you life. Your father worked hard every day, pushing through exhaustion to provide for you. They didn't do this so you could waste your life. They did it so you could have a chance to succeed. And now, it's your turn to give back. Imagine the look on your mother's face when you hand her the keys to her dream house. Imagine the tears in your father's eyes when you tell him he doesn't have to work another day because you've got it covered. Imagine the pride in their hearts knowing that their child made it. But this isn't just about money. It's about giving them peace. It's about giving them the happiness they deserve. And more than that, it's about proving to yourself that you are capable of greatness. The journey won't be easy. There will be days when you feel like giving up. There will be times when people doubt you, when they laugh at your dreams. But remember this, the people who laugh now will be the same people clapping for you later. They will be the ones saying, "I always knew you could do it." So what's stopping you? Fear, doubt, the fear of failure. Let me tell you something. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. Every failure is a lesson. Every setback is a stepping stone. The only real failure is giving up. You have everything you need inside you. The only thing missing is action. So start today, right now, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Take one step, just one. Read that book, learn that skill, apply for that job, start that business, go to the gym, do whatever it takes to move forward. Because one day, you will look back and realize that this was the moment that changed everything. This was the day you decided to transform your life. Now, the choice is yours. Stay the same, or rise up and become the person you were meant to be. I believe in you. But more importantly, you need to believe in yourself. This is Steve from English Universe. See you in the next lesson, and remember, your future is in your hands. Make it count.